In this video I will show how to create a timer and an animated countdown in Adobe Premiere Pro. This tutorial is available in CC 2018 and newer, so let's start. I chose this clip because you can use a timer on anything you prefer. So we need to do a transparent video. Click in the new icon and select transparent video. You can stay all settings as default because we need to have the same frames as the sequence. Now we can put a transparent video in the top of our video. Now put an effect on the transparent video. It's called time code. You will find this under the video effects and drag it to the transparent video. Now you can see that the time code is displayed up top the video. Now set the opacity to 0, so this removes the box around the numbers, and we can change the size of the text here. Now let's look to the numbers. First hours, second minutes, third seconds and frames. So to hide the hours and frames we will use an effect called crop. You can find this under the video effects and apply it to the transparent video. And inside the controls panel, click on the crop effect, and in these lines you will appear. Use this to hide the hours and frames. If you want to change position, go to the controls panel and change the position values on the motion section. Now if you want the timer counting up, you complete it. But if you want the timer counting down, so click right on the transparent video and select next. And now if we go to the speed duration, select speeds, and now it's counting down. If you want to change the color of the timer, go to the effects panel and search for the effect change to color. Then go to the controls panel and change the color and change hue to hue minus a saturation. In the next step of this tutorial we are coming to create this animated countdown. Okay, let's create the advanced countdown timer. First we are coming to create a background, and we will do this with a color matte. In the project panel, click on this new icon and select color matte. We can set the default settings here and then pick a color. I've already copied this blue color codes. I will paste it here and then click OK. Let's name this background and click OK. Now we can find the color matte here in the project panel, and let's drag it to the timeline and extend duration. So now we've got this clean blue background, which we are coming to make a little more interesting. First, let's move over the volumetry color panel and go to Vignette section. I will add just a tiny bit of vignette, something like 0.04 will be fine. Okay, we are going to the effects panel and search for circle effect. You will find this under the video effects generate. I will apply this to the background color matte and ready over to the effects control panel. First, I will change the color of the circle. I will pick something gray like this one and click OK. Then we need to change a little more settings. First, we will change radius to 750. Then I will open the feather option, set it to 1500, and the final setting we are going to change is the blending mode. We are going to set this to screen. Okay, cool, so now we've got this nice pseudo gradle background. Of course you can use any color that you prefer, or maybe not use any backgrounds at all. Next we are going to create another circle, but this time with the ellipse tool. This one is part of the Essential Graphics panel. You can find it under the pen tool. If you have the ellipse tool, just click anywhere the program monitor and draw the circle, and if you hold the Shift key you will get a perfect propositional circle. And when you're done, go to the Essential Graphics. First, let's enter the circle by clicking these buttons here, and then I will disable the fill and enable the stroke and change it to 86. Then I will duplicate this shape layer here by right click on the layer and select duplicate. Let's rename the layer so we know which one of is it. Okay, now you've got the duplicate layer select, and we will change the color of the stroke. Let's choose white for this one. Now we only have to scale it down, like 90% will do. Now we can move our to the timeline and extend the duration of the essential graphics layer so we do match the background. And after that, it's time to head over the effects panel, where we are going to search the effect Radial Wipe. You will find this under the video effects transition. Let's apply this one to the essential graphics layer and head over to the effects control panel. In there we will enable keyframes for transition completion by clicking on this watch here. Then put the keyframe on the beginning of the clip and create another one with a composition value of 100% and put it in the end of the clip. If I now scroll to the timeline, you can see what we created so far. We can make this animation become a little more smoother by right click on the keyframe and easy in for the last one and easy out for the first one. And this is how it looks so far. And with the countdown timer we did at the beginning of the video, and altogether will look like this. Hope you liked it and see you in the next tutorial.